to the ring. Introducing the challenger, from Amarillo, Texas, 170 pounds, Chainsaw Charlie.
There's no telling what these competitors will do in Extreme Rules, but I can guarantee we're about to find out. Oh, mama! A quick punch to the gut. Chainsaw Charlie controlling the arm. The excitement of the air is palpable for this no-holds-barred contest. Man, that was a vicious elbow drop. Chainsaw Charlie, nicely avoided there. He's a man who feels right at home, tangled up in barbed wire. And that should tell you something. Oh, unloading with the right hand. A clothesline out of nowhere. And this is going to return to the ring. Now taking this match outside. The ref can only watch and observe here as there are no countouts. Looks like we're going back inside. Uh-oh, what an elbow. I can't believe this is a no disqualification match. We can see anything in this one. Again, no countouts. These competitors can do whatever they want outside of the ring. I have a strong feeling that... Watch it! Oh, stopped at the last second. Oh, and did you hear the impact? Goodness, after a match like this, you're sore from head to toe the next day. With the championship at stake, you know these superstars will give everything they have to win here tonight. And it looks like we could be heading back into the ring. Elbow to the bridge of the nose. This man has had his head bashed open so many times, it's a wonder he can form sentences. But he's written more books than Stephen King. From behind. He plants him down with authority. So much on the line in this one. And like they say, on any given night, anything can happen in the WWE. And what a hard knockdown, big-time impact. Collar and elbow battling for control. This is as hardcore as it gets. He'll bust his own head open if he thinks it'll drown you. Mankind with the arm.
Mankind has fought the very best. He may be crazy, but he's a top-level competitor. And there's an elbow drop.
Mankind controlling the head.
He catches him with the axe handle.
And again he moves to the outside.
Oh, what a painful kick.
And he's forced back in the ring.
Oh, come on now. That was just uncalled for. Hey, what's he going to do with that?
You don't think.
Oh!
King, did you see that?
Oh, man, it doesn't get much closer than that.
Chainsaw Charlie. Chainsaw Charlie has the headlock. Taken to the floor. No disqualification match. Again, these men can do anything they want to each other.
In these no disqualification matches, at times it's the most innovative superstar, the one that comes up with a unique way of dealing damage that's able to score the win. I don't like this.
And his opponent might like it even less.
Hey, easy with that. Wow, if he keeps this up, this could be over quick. A DDT! Well, there's all kind of things underneath that ring. Steel chairs, tables, ladders. Be careful, Cole. And now he's bringing a crutch into the match. Oh, man, steel chair being used as a weapon. Oh, the crutch is a vicious weapon. Ooh, again with the crutch.
That Irish whip was delivered with tremendous aggression.
Keep in mind, this is no disqualification. Anything can happen in this one.
Collar and elbow tie-up.
Nice, well-placed kick to the ribs.
And he put everything he had behind that Irish whip. Remember, in championship matches, the title cannot change hands by countout or disqualification.
Yeah, that's why they call it the championship advantage. You can lose the match, but still keep the title. Mankind's in trouble.
Mankind!
That's it. He's done.
And the champion wins. Mankind retains the title.
Here is your winner and still hardcore champion, Mankind.
There should be no doubt in anyone's mind that he is the true and deserving champion.
Absolutely. What an incredible match.